Good morning, friends. Today we're going to talk about the letter X again. We're going to show you how to write it. It takes two straight lines to make the capital X and the lowercase x. And you start at the top and you draw down like this. And then you start at the top up here and you draw down like this. The lowercase x is exactly the same, just two straight lines down like that. Okay? We're going to do our name song today. And as we're doing our name song, we're going to look and see if any of our friends' names have an X. Okay? Hickety-pickety bumblebee, won't you say your name with me? Zoe Chen starts with a Z, but no X. Hickety-pickety bumblebee, won't you say your name with me? Lucy Klotz starts with an L, but no X. Hickety-pickety bumblebee, won't you say your name with me? Juniper Warga starts with a J, no X. Hickety-pickety bumblebee, won't you say your name with me? Arya Jahan starts with an A, no X. Hickety-pickety bumblebee, won't you say your name with me? Harper Scatta starts with an H. Hickety-pickety bumblebee, won't you say your name with me? Lexi Turan starts with an L. And look what I see in Lexi's name. There is an X. Hickety-pickety bumblebee, won't you say your name with me? Rose Lou starts with an R. Excuse me. Hickety-pickety bumblebee, won't you say your name with me? Hudson Selinsky starts with an H. Hickety-pickety bumblebee, won't you say your name with me? Gavin Stankos starts with a G. Hickety-pickety bumblebee, won't you say your name with me? Elena Shen starts with an E. Hickety-pickety bumblebee, won't you say your name with me? Liam Espy starts with an L. Hickety-pickety bumblebee, won't you say your name with me? Nora Nasapak starts with an N. Hickety-pickety bumblebee, won't you say your name with me? Peter Payless starts with a P. Hickety-pickety bumblebee, won't you say your name with me? Anderson Moran starts with an A. That's my kitty Lily. All right. Hickety-pickety bumblebee, won't you say your name with me? Chris Siciliano starts with a C. Hickety-pickety bumblebee, won't you say your name with me? Jace Casson starts with a J. Hickety-pickety bumblebee, won't you say your name with me? Chloe Baumgartner starts with a K. Hickety-pickety bumblebee, won't you say your name with me? Brody Cochran starts with a B. All right, friends, let's see if we found. This is the only name. Lexi's the only one that has an X in her name. So there's one friend with an X in her name. X, X. Okay, let's count how many friends don't have an X in their name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 friends with no X and one friend with an X. That's a lot. A lot of names without X's. X's is not a popular letter. All right, so today we're going to make some X's using glue. And Miss Tanya used a lid, a little plastic lid, and right now it's still drying, but I made an X. Can you guys see that? Oh, there, how's that? Out of glue and toothpicks. I poured some glue into a little plastic lid, and then I put my toothpicks in. The bottom is dry, but the top is not quite dry. But then you can stick them onto your window, and then you can see the X, as you can see through the sunshine. Yeah, I can see the X, like that maybe, through the glue. Another thing that you guys can do with fun glue is just write X's, like Miss Tanya did, out of glue. And what I did was I took my purple glitter glue and a piece of parchment paper. You can have mommies and daddies draw an X on your parchment paper, and you just use the glue. I'm not sure how to do this. Maybe tip it down a little bit. Use the glue, you see, to write, here it's coming, an X. Okay. Like that. And then it will dry, and you can just peel it right off and stick it to whatever else you want to stick it to. Okay? Because once this is dry, you can just peel it off like this. Okay? And I don't know if anybody else went out and found X's outside in nature yesterday, but I went biking with Maddie, and we found a bunch of different X's, and I will send you pictures so that you can see. All right, now we're gonna do our calendar. Okay, gotta find out what today is, and if it's gonna be pink or green, and what the number is, okay? So let's do our pattern to figure out if it's gonna be pink or green. Ready? Pink, green, green. Pink, green, green. Pink, green, green. Pink, green, green. Okay, so we're going to put our green up there. Take our pink down. All right, now we've got to figure out the number. Let's count, friends. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we got to write our 12s with a 1 and then a 2. 12. Okay, we follow that up and we find that it is Tuesday. Tuesday. And our month, remember, is May. So today is Tuesday, May 12th. Okay? You guys want to sing our Days of the Week song? Put my pen down and we can do the snappy one. Ready? Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Now, if we look at our days of the week, do we see any X's in our days of the week? Not in Sunday, no Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I don't see any X's in our days of the week. Okay, friends. Have a great day. It's going to be a beautiful day. Get outside and play and see if you can find any X's outside. Bye.